So yeah, as a thumbnail indicates, we have a couple unboxing videos to do. I did that. I forgot to turn my microphone on. It was just literally 12 minutes of me being silent. So let's try this again. Already unboxed, and the video will be a lot quicker. Go ahead, let's get started here. All right, microphone is on. You know, all that good stuff. Coffee is here. All right, so the first one I unboxed for you all. It was way back. It started with how this one ended up in my hands. I during a live video, I told Jeremy to put alcohol into his Super Pro 125, and it went kaboom. Okay, so after it went kaboom, Shane Smith, awesome guy, sent him parts for a Super Pro 125 in exchange to do some work on another saw, a 176, and Jeremy has the video of that process. You all took a poll on who should continue rebuilding that saw, because what happened was Shane said he was looking for, me and Jeremy were talking, Facebook chatting one morning, whatever, and Shane said something to him about if he could find a model 73 piston and cylinder, or a 77, same things. And I said, "Oh, I've got one outside, a complete saw. I don't want. That would have been my third one, and it ran. It just needed some. It just needed some stuff." So messaged Shane and said, "Hey, you want to trade? Because I wanted a 176 right here, that I, like I said, already unboxed. It's a basket case, but it's on Jeremy's channel, the teardown, everything of the saw and whatnot. And so Shane said, deal. So this instantly became mine. Jeremy and everybody, we asked who you want to see redo it, put it back together. You want Jeremy to put it back together, me put it back together. And a comment of a video, and you all responded you wanted to see me put it back together. So that is what is in here, a complete 176 basket case and everything. We'll get that back together. The exhaust has had poor work done to it. The top of it was flattened. I know for a fact from the factory they're not like that. You be good. The bore is fine, and everything like that. It's me and Jeremy already checked that with a cool super special tools, and it comes out as a within tolerance of everything. So rings, everything are good on this. The crankshaft is in there. He says he thinks he threw new bearings and stuff in there. If not, I've got those. I can get those. So no biggie there. So we've got a complete 170 McCulloch 176 to tear out, clean up, put back together, and get running in here. Now, the other saw, I have, like I said, unboxed it. If you've ever seen me in the comments and everything, and he promised this to me, everything, he got him in like a lot of 8 or 10 of them as part saws or whatever is robbed from them. He has, said he'd give me one. So from ever since then, if you've ever seen the live videos and stuff of us watching and whatnot, I've always said, oh, I want that. Oh, I would love one. It was like, Brian, you own one. It's just sitting right here. I got to get it to you. So it's probably one of the most popular Husky saws that there is. And then we take it the next step, and it's a Chinese one, which I don't care. I have joined the dark side. I've gone to the Hultz Forma, Husky designed, and it's a 372 XP. This one does run. I won't be starting it right here, right now. We'll have its own separate video for that. Does run. Cut. I don't know if it does it. Jeremy has been inside of it. He says it. He said he put a coil inside of it, an OE coil and OE carburetor. Yep, a Walbro carburetor. They don't come factory with the Walbro name on them. It's so complicated and everything. Why do they gotta have all this stuff? So my plans with this is I gotta get a bar and chain, and I'm gonna make some stock cuts with it. because the whole internet isn't full of that anyways. But I just want to detail my experience with this. So completely stock right here, and then after that, I'm going to go straight up with a pipe onto it. Just going to do the pipe, right? Wrap around. I'm going to skip the modded muffler. We're going to go right to the pipe. And pipe, I'm going to ask Jereme a favor, which I think he would do. But I got to send him a chainsaw. I'm going to send him some other cool stuff and everything that he don't know about that I got to get done. Send him the cylinder to. I also got to get the proper equipment, torques and stuff to do this. Oh, that's another Harbor Freight run. Get the cylinder taken off of this and send it to him. Yeah, to do port work and everything and whatnot, and do a little bit of learning on that and stuff. So so I got to get some numbers here. I got to find out what the current squish is, which they're probably all about the same. But I'll get the current squish for him, and then we're going to take it down and stuff, and hopefully get some porting done on it. I may pick up some cylinders myself because they're cheap enough just to play with and practice porting and everything and stuff like that. He's told me a few things on what to do and everything, and I figured it's time to get my hand on porting saws. And I don't want to do it to max just yet because those blocks you can't get anymore. These ones, however, you get cylinders for these all day. There's a ton of them across the board and everything. So, but this one, he says runs, has gas in it, but we'll run that on its video and everything. So we've got a couple more saws to get living and to modify. We're not going to modify the 176. That is going to be a clean up, put back together video right there. That should be a pretty good one to do. Pretty fun, nice one there. It's a 99cc. So this one I'm looking forward to doing. No, okay, we're fine. That one I'm definitely looking forward to. This one going to the dark side here, everybody. And yeah. So, all right, I'm Yammernon. I got stuff to do today. A lot to do today. I got to get cart engines disassembled, cleaned up if I haven't already done that for you guys by this point. Lots and lots to do and everything. So spend some time with the family first. But all right, I'm Yimmer, and I just want to say thanks for watching. And like I say, like, comment, subscribe so we can continue seeing these and everything. And congratulations to Jereme for reaching 10,000 subscribers yesterday on your live video. Yesterday for me. By the time this video comes out, it'll be like a week or two now. So all right, I'm Yimmer. Thanks for watching. And for those that watch to the end of this, you guys get to see it. They need some love. But it's a runner. Lack of fuel, but told you watch to the end of my videos, there might be something special. Thanks for watching, everybody.